In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing subscriptions or regular customer billing, setting up recurring invoices can save time, streamline your processes, and ensure that everything is automated and on schedule. Let's begin by navigating to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Invoice. This will open up a new invoice page where you can create the invoice just as you normally would. Fill in all the necessary details such as the customer's name, the items or services provided, and any relevant charges. Make sure everything is accurate, as this will be the template that gets used repeatedly. Once you've completed the invoice, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Manage button. Clicking here will open up a right-hand panel with various options. Look for the Scheduling settings. This section is essential for turning your standard invoice into a recurring one. Click to open these settings. Now, you're going to enable the option Make Invoice Recurring. This action will unlock additional fields that allow you to customize the details of how and when your invoice will recur. Start by entering a template name for this recurring invoice. Naming it something specific and easily recognizable is helpful, especially if you plan to set up multiple templates in the future. Next, determine the type of recurrence and the number of days in advance you would like the invoice to be sent to your clients. This flexibility lets you choose how proactively you want to bill your clients. You also have options to automate certain features here, like sending emails automatically or including any unbilled charges. Tailor these settings to fit the specific needs of your business. It's important to specify the start date of your recurring template. Set this date according to when you want the invoicing cycle to begin. Following this, decide the frequency of its recurrence, whether weekly, monthly, or any custom interval that suits your needs. Once you've reviewed all your settings and ensured they are correct, it's time to save your template. Simply click Save Template, and with that, you're all set. You've now successfully created a recurring invoice template with Autopay enabled in QuickBooks Online. Automating your invoices not only keeps your billing on track, but also frees you up to focus on other aspects of your business. Congratulations on taking this step toward more efficient billing practices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.